Hello, welcome to the Hack Gym. If you follow me on Instagram at the Hack Gym, then you've already learned about these overhead anchor points and the value they bring to your home setup. If you aren't familiar with these, check it out again, Instagram at the Hack Gym. What we've got here is just a couple overhead connections. We're just using a standard eye bolt, 1 inch diameter, 1.5 to 2 inch depth, whatever's going to work for your garage door frame. And now we're tapping into the engineered strength in these door frames for a wide variety of exercise options. What we're going to do today is utilize it for this cable system hookup. That eye bolt, you want 2 of those positioned 3.5 feet apart. Optimal spacing there for a wide range of options. Again, for the cable system, we want that. Now this cable system, if you've probably seen these on your Facebook or Instagram feeds. If you follow any level of fitness platforms, you're going to see all these popping up in your ads. These cable setups are pretty nice, actually. They pretty well all come from the same manufacturer in China, so it doesn't really matter what supplier you get them from. You'll find them on Amazon and eBay for about $60 to $70 tops. Don't pay more than $70 for the whole setup. So this rig here, I got it for $60 flat on Amazon, and Prime member, free shipping, so great way to go. This whole setup includes quite a lot of tools. We've got the cable, single pulley, this short bar attachment, a rope attachment, and then a dumbbell attachment. If a dumbbell is all you have for weight resistance, that's just going to wrap around the dumbbell and clip onto there to give you your weight option. And then also a loading pin, so we can do plates if you happen to have plates available. So that whole setup, again, less than 60 bucks. Oh, and the rope if I hadn't mentioned that, so we got that in here. So this whole rig, not a bad deal. The trouble is the cable length. When you mount that to a garage door, the cable length really is too long. It limits our range of motion and capability. Let me demonstrate here. Let's say I want to do a row. All right, no problem. I can sit back, I can do a row and get a full range of motion. Okay, that works. But then let's say I want to do a tricep pushdown. Now you see the problem. Very limited range of motion. That cable's just too long. So we're going to correct that by enhancing this setup with a second pulley. An additional pulley connected here. That's why we want those 2 overhead connection points. Now this is a towing pulley. This is a 6,000 pound rated towing pulley for use with a automotive winch set. I would not recommend using a rock climbing pulley. Those kind of pulleys are really engineered to only flow one direction. We're going to be doing a lot of back and forth movement across that pulley. And those rock climbing pulleys, they're going to burn out as you move that back and forth constantly. They might have a good weight capacity, but just not meant for this type of movement. So these towing pulleys are best. You can pick these up on Amazon and eBay for 12 to 15 bucks a piece. They're all over the place. And you want this style that is the swivel open. That way we can get it linked around the cable, then anchored in, connected to our anchor point. Now we've corrected that cable length problem, but more importantly, we're in a better position for the typical movements we want to do. For example, lat pull downs. Now we get full extension at the top, and we get those lat pull downs taken care of. We can switch that over to a pullover. No problem. We can again get full range of motion here, full extension at the top, so we're maximizing that movement. And then those tricep pushdowns, sure thing. Again, full range of motion now. We've got that taken care of. So that second pulley gives you what you need to really maximize this whole cable setup. A few other things you can do to enhance this is get a better bar. This short bar that it comes with, it's okay, you'll use it, but spend a little extra. 25 bucks, you can pick up a bar like this. Again, Amazon, eBay, they're all over the place. Pretty much all coming from the same manufacturer in China again. But now with this bar, we connect, and we've got much more option here. Close grip, mid, wide grip, gives us a lot more capability. So really worth it to pick that up. But all in here, we're still sitting about 100 bucks, that's it. So far better than what you're going to spend trying to get some other kind of a cable rig. Additionally, we can change the configuration here and give ourselves more options. So we're going to disconnect these pulleys. And then we're going to change how we hook this up. We're going to take the end of the cable, connect that end up here, and then connect the pulley to the pin load or to the dumbbell strap, whichever you have. And now we connect this onto our bar. Just back this up a little bit here. Now we have a great curl option. Now it may seem a little strange at first, but what's really nice about this is the way that the weight will move across the cable. It changes the resistance load throughout the movement. So it really works your bicep much differently than if you were doing a traditional dumbbell or barbell curl. It's a nice change of pace. Also what we can do is just with no bar, just the end of the cable, we can come at this from a sideways angle, and we can do some fantastic cable lateral movements. So just changing that configuration gives us more options. So really an outstanding setup here. Just those two hooks is all you need and a couple carabiners. And then pick up those cable package sets. Again, Amazon, eBay, $60, $70. And you're going to really dramatically change all the possibilities that you have in your home gym setup. Give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. And go work out.